Hi everyone. So I just want to show everybody the difference in between a composite front split and the ABS front splits. Obviously these are a lot cheaper, right? So you get the front splits, the ABS ones, they're pretty cheap, easy to come by, everybody sells them. So I bought one just like everybody else, went to fit it on my car, and then realized, hey, this doesn't fit very well. It's not a nice fit. You can make it work. You use, I read about using a heat gun, heating them up, forming them, bending them, and do all that. So I ended up saying, if I'm going to bolt this to my car, drill some holes in it, I'm going to spend the extra bucks. So I ordered up another one. So I ordered up one from another company, and basically you can see the difference right here in the angles. The fitment on this, I tried this on the car and it fits perfectly. It like takes 2 seconds. This one here, this angle, it doesn't seem to want to rest inside the car. It doesn't fit up nice. I know guys talk about how you got to line it up at the back or this or that. I tried it every which way I could ever read about, and I found this did not want to fit properly. Could make it work and I could make it look nice, no problem. A little bit of heat gun, bend this out a little bit. And then just the other thing that it has some little other details. This one comes off, it's a little more straight coming off. This one here kind of slopes down, and when you put it on the car, it almost looks like a bumper. It just comes straight down, right? So the style I was going for was more this look, what I wanted, and this is actually what it looks like in the picture, but when you get it, this is what you get. It's a lot flimsier, and that's fine, everything like that, no big deal. You put this on your car, one thing, it'll take a little more. This is solid, right? So the composite's one solid piece. You hit a curb in this thing, it's gonna break. Even if you just lightly touch the curb, you're gonna crack it. This one, it'll probably take a little flex wear. It'll probably last you a little longer if you do stuff. I'm not too worried about this one. The only thing I'm worried about is maybe hitting a pothole or going up a steep little incline. That would be about it. This one here, I wouldn't even worry about it. If you put that on your car, you should be good with that one. This one, you just got to worry about ripping it off, and I don't worry about parking near curbs because I don't. So I'm good with that. But I just wanted to show you guys that, show you the difference between the two. I'll try to get some angles here. If you can see the angle, that's actually a good one. You can see the slope on the composite is a little more straighter. If you look under your car, you'll see that it's a little flatter. Where this one's really sharp angle down, does not fit on your car nicely at all. And when you try and fit that part on your car, what it does is it turns the front down, and you're lifting it up, and it makes the front really flat. But if you like that look, then by all means go with it. It's your car, do what you like, do it any way you like it. It all looks good in the end. If you make it work, this is just what I went with. Just wanted to share. Have a good day.